welcome back. Had a problem with some peeling paint. This paint mapping lark can be quite a pain. Looking a lot better than what it did. Take a look. I'm preparing this ceiling for painting, and see the plaster here. There's a bit of a patch that was loose, so I started sanding. As I'm sanding, I keep getting a loose edge. Okay, so I'll show you what needs to be done here to stop this happening. So the edge that's still loose, I'll just keep scraping till it tightens up again. See the plaster underneath there. So this has been a patch-up job. Right, so gone tight again. I'll get my sandpaper out. I'll just give it a light sand. Overall it's tight. Just started lifting again here. If you look where it is. So this will be plaster that's sitting on top of the paint. So I'm guessing when the window's been put in, this has been blended through and any of the dust hasn't been removed. Possibly a plaster pop just there. So I'll just remove, see it's gone loose again there. So again, generally that's tightened up. I'll just give this a light sand again. Yeah, so that's tightened up. That's okay. Just wants a little bit of fine sandpaper on that now. If that is a plaster pop. Guessing it is because I can see a little bit of a crack around it. That was hidden underneath the paint and plaster there. So yeah, this is okay now. Quick wipe over. Diluted PVA. I'll just leave that to soak in for a minute or two. So I've left it for a few minutes. I did wipe around the edge, but see the drips that have run down. So now, just give another wipe over, and then just a quick. So PVA's gone in. I'll leave that to dry. So that's 2 layers of filler I've put over the surface there, and that was leaving the PVA to dry. Like I say, 2 layers of filler. So now I'm about to give it a light sand, and next step, just brush some diluted PVA over that area. Again, sealing the dust. Let it dry and I'm ready to paint. So we'll take a look when I put the second coat on when it's all dry. Now, when mist coating, you don't always have to use a contract mat, an ordinary mat. This is a durable mat, so this will be scrubbable and stain resistant, but can be applied to new plaster. Yeah. So the 1 part clean water, 5 parts paint. And using something like this, then when you come to fill onto the plaster, makes it much easier. You can struggle trying to fill over an ordinary matte paint, so using something like that is perfect. Once the plaster has been sealed with the PVA, then you can apply a coat of the durable matte and then do your filling, and you'll find that much better, a lot easier. Okie doke. Thank you.